welcome back to my channel. My name is Yorelisc and welcome to my beauty space. Now today's video is so exciting because I've been wanting to do this for a while. I just haven't had the time or I haven't had the energy because I'm going through so much stress. But I am feeling so good. I'm like a couple of weeks away from my own wedding, so I wanted to create this video for anyone who's going out to a wedding and you don't really know what to do. You're like, oh man, I don't know what products to use, I don't know what to get, I'm not an MUA. This is the video for you. If you want to learn how to get this look, please keep on watching and I'll see you guys. Bye. For today's look, I'm going in with this ColourPop palette. It is called No Biggie and it's so cute. It's funny because I was actually listening to Biggie last night. What I really like about this palette is that it comes with all of these neutrals and then you have 2 mattes and then 2 shimmers. So it doesn't matter what kind of look you're going for and it doesn't matter what outfit you're wearing. This is going to be a good palette to invest in and it's only like 12 bucks or something and they're really nice and pigmented. Imagine. If you're someone who doesn't have a lot of makeup products, then I definitely recommend these 2 brushes to go with the palette. These are both from Equal Tools and you can find these at Rite Aid, CVS. So you get like an angled brush, then you get like the shader brush, and then you get a smudge one, and then a big blending one. So alright, so let's go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna go in with this shade here, which is called Feathered. Definition, I'm going in with this brown shade. It is called Lay Low. What I really like about this brown is that it's not a flat brown. It has purpley undertones to it, and slowly just stamp it onto your eye. For the lid shade, you could pretty much go with the champagne color or you could go with the gold color. It doesn't really matter. That's what I like about this palette, that you have choices here. So I'm gonna go in with the gold shade. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to carve out my lids. You don't have to do that. You could just go in straight with the shadow and then press it on. But I personally like it to look more defined and it'll look more festive too for the, like, I was gonna say for the funeral. Yes, because you're gonna leave bitches dead with this look, all right? So I'm gonna take this flat brush here. When you get to the end, you just flick it like that and it'll blend in with the shadow. Now I'm gonna take the gold shade, which is called Comeback Kid. That's cute. Going back in with this brown shade, barely gonna apply any on. I'm just going to like basically flick it here. For liner, I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop pencil. This is Call Me. Call Me! What I'm gonna do is I'm going to line my upper lash line with this instead of doing like a liquid line or like a gel. Because sometimes, especially for beginners, like if you're not really into makeup, you don't really do makeup, you just wanna look nice for your, you know, events, I definitely recommend using a pencil to line and then we're gonna set it with shadow. Up the angled brush, going back in with the same brown. Now you can leave it like that and just smudge it out, or you could add a little bit of black. I'm gonna pick up this black color here from this palette. I'm going to go under the brown so that it looks faded already. I want to go in with mascara. I am gonna wear lashes, but you don't have to with this look because I think it looks really nice just without any lashes. Are the wispy from Christina. I got these in Amazon. They come in like a little bulk, so I really like these because of that reason, and it's really affordable. It's like, I don't know, $10 or so. I already wore these, so they're already shaped to my eye and everything. When you apply your lashes, you want to always come from above. It'll be easier as opposed to coming from straight. Alright, lashes are on. They look poppin'. Now it's time for face. I'm gonna go in with the YSL Blur Primer. You don't have to be bouge. You don't have to use something like this. Now if you have any discoloration or anything like that, you can go ahead and color correct. I'm gonna do that as well. I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Camo Corrector. Ooh, that was too much. So for foundation, you want to wear something that doesn't have any SPF because if you do, you are going to get flashback, and for weddings and stuff, you're definitely going to get flashback. because the photographer always has like those crazy big lenses and all that stuff. So you want to stay away from anything that has SPF. Some foundations that I really recommend for like special events and for photography is like the Makeup Forever Ultra HD, L'Oreal Pro Glow. It looks really nice in photos. And I also recommend these two. These are the latest ones in my collection. This is the NARS Radiant Long Wearing Foundation. It has the word long wearing in it, so it's definitely going to last you a lot of hours. And the next one is the Born This Way Too Faced with Jackie Aina. Well, this is one of the shades that she created with them. I'm actually gonna mix them because I'm just curious to know how it looks together. For concealer, I'm going to use the Born This Way, the brand new concealer that they just came out with, the multi-purpose sculpting. One trick I like to do is I like to let it sit on my skin for a little bit because that will give you much more coverage and you want to look flawless in your pictures. So I definitely recommend just letting it sit for like a few seconds and then blend away. Powder, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier powder. So I'm going to spray one time because Fix Plus has gone up on price, girl. We can't be doing all of that. I'm going to add some Fix Plus so that I don't look so powdery. For contour, you can use a bronzer or you can use a contour kit. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia contour kits. Blush, I'm gonna go in with MAC's Melba blush. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this Maybelline highlighter. I really like this highlighter, especially for summer. If you're going for like a summer wedding or even a fall wedding, this is beautiful. To finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go back in with the same brown color that we used. I'm going to smudge it with the same pink shade that we use in our crease. Picking up the same pencil brush we used, I'm going to take a little bit of it into the waterline. If you don't like anything in your waterline, you don't have to do this. I'm going to take some mascara now. This is waterproof, so if you do cry during the wedding, no worries. I'm going to pop some highlight in the inner corners of the eye with the same highlighter we use on our face. Lips, I definitely recommend a liquid lipstick because they're just going to last. You're going to be drinking, you're going to be eating. You don't want to be messing around with your lips and applying and applying and applying. So you want to wear something very comfortable, very long wearing. So something like Dose of Colors or like the Anastasia liquid lips. Those are like my favorite ones. So I'm going to use Bear With Me from Dose of Colors. Last step is going to be highlighting the lips. Makes your lips look bigger. Going in with the Milani Make It Last spray. Alright you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had so much fun sitting here. I really like the way it turned out. I guarantee you that this makeup will last you hours and hours. Make sure you have fun. Make sure that the bride is having a great time. Take so many pictures of her so that she can have so many memories, or any kind of wedding you're going to. Make sure whoever you're going for, you show them that love and you show them that support because they go through so much planning. You guys have no freaking idea. I can definitely tell you firsthand. Just make them feel good and enjoy yourself. Enjoy the food, enjoy the drinks, take your pictures because you're gonna walk in there and people are gonna be like, okay, she came to play, she came to slay, she came for those pictures, because wedding pictures are forever. So you want to look good, you want to glow, you want to get in there, show them your eyeshadow, show them that you came to play. All right, so please give me a thumbs up if you guys really enjoyed the video, and make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you share, because you know everyone needs this beat. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one, and don't forget to glow.